The Drentsche Patrijshond is a versatile spaniel-type hunting dog from the Dutch province of Drenthe. Called the Dutch Partridge Dog in English, approximately 5,000 dogs are registered with the breed club in the Netherlands. And breed clubs operate in Belgium, Denmark, Scandinavia, and North America. The origins of the Drentsche Patrijshond are in the 16th century, from the Spioenen, which came to the Netherlands through France from Spain and is related to the Small Munsterlander of Germany and the Epagneul Francais of France. In the Netherlands, these dogs were called partridge dogs. Let's talk about the pros and cons of the Drentsche Patrijshond. Pros: versatile hunting skills. The Drentsche Patrijshond is an excellent pointer and retriever, making it well suited for hunting fowl in various terrains, including fields and marshes. Adaptability to different roles. Originally developed as an all-around dog for the common gentry, the Drenthe serves as a watchdog and child playmate, and can even pull carts, showcasing its versatility. Family-friendly temperament. Despite a strong hunting instinct, Drentsche Patrijshonds tend to be more relaxed at home, displaying loyalty, a strong attachment to family members, and a sweet disposition, particularly with children. Recognized breed standards. Formally recognized by the Dutch Kennel Club in 1943 and the 𝗍𝗂𝗁𝗏𝗂 in 2010, the Drentsche Patrijshond has established breed standards, providing consistency and guidelines for responsible breeding. Suitability for upland hunting. Perfectly suited for upland hunting, the Drenthe is thorough and efficient in smaller plots, hunting with good speed within reach of the gun. Specific exercise needs. While the breed can be relaxed indoors, it should not be mistaken for a sedentary dog. The Drentsche Patrijshond requires regular, sufficient exercise, and lack of it may lead to potential health and behavioral issues. Outdated breed standard recognition. The United Kennel Club in the United States recognizes the breed using an outdated February 1994 FCI standard, potentially leading to inconsistencies in breed representation. Health concerns. Like many dog breeds, the Drentsche Patrijshond may be susceptible to health issues, including progressive retinal atrophy, PRA, and hereditary stomatocytosis, which potential owners should be aware of. Less desirable coat markings. While white with brown or orange markings is the valid color, a mantle, which is a large marking across the back, is generally less desired, impacting the dog's appearance according to breed standards. Limited recognition outside native country. While popular in the Netherlands, the Drentsche Patrijshond may have limited recognition in some regions, potentially affecting availability and access to breed-specific services and events. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.